Hi, I'm Marna, and I just got this doll, and I really like her. I don't have a stand for her yet, so bear with me on that. She came with no clothing, and so I've been working on some ideas for her, and I've come up with some hacks and crafts for her that I will be doing later. Right now, I just wanted to show you one of the ideas that I had came up with before she arrived that I think worked out really well. I like this dress. It also came with some other items. Some will work for her and some won't, but I'm keeping it all in this bag. Came with bloomers. They're going to fit her, but I need to work on them a little bit. Came with socks. I don't really like socks, so I didn't use that. Came with this parasol. Oh, how cute is that? It came with this necklace, which I really like, the choker, but I haven't put holder on it. It's one that you glue. I'm going to do something different on that. And it came with these little shoes that won't fit her, but will fit another doll. Where did it come from? A doll in the Goodwill that I paid less than $2 for. And I'm also going to snatch off her wig and see if I can do something else with that. We all see these beautiful porcelain dolls in the thrift stores, and they're really inexpensive. I hate stealing from her because I kind of feel sorry for her, but I also know that there are people that will buy these dolls. If I take this doll back to the thrift store and give it to them, which I am, I'm going to give this doll away. Someone will snatch this doll up and either practice paint on her face, which I kind of thought about doing, or they will give her new clothes and add her to their collection. So I bought a few of these when they were on clearance at the local, or our local thrift store. They had like a bag sale where you filled it up and it was $1. And so I bought some of these, and that's my plan. I'm saving the shoes and the socks and the clothes and some of these wigs. Anyway, just an idea to dress your dolls inexpensively. And then I found this poor girl who, I don't know, she didn't have hair. She's kind of a nice little doll. She's one of those craft dolls that would come with like a crochet or knit outfit. But look what she had. And she fit in my bag too. And I thought, you know what? If nothing else, I'm going to take those shoes, because I'll bet if they don't fit one doll, they'll fit another. Thanks for watching. Please leave a note in the comment. Don't beat me up for stealing from the porcelain dolls. Just tell me, do your thrift stores near you have like a bag sale and an abundance of the porcelain dolls? Our thrift stores, you know, they're not a big collector's item anymore like they were years ago. So the poor things just sit on the shelves and sit and sit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.